Well, good morning. Welcome back to the tavern and the Oasis. It's now September, I believe it's actually September 11th. It is. It's September 11th, 2020. Hard to imagine. 20 years ago, my life was insanely changed. That's weird. Anyway, welcome back to the Oasis. And 20 years ago, I was working on a farm, or a ranch actually, down in Oklahoma on a 2-week vacation, and this was the last day of my vacation, with that having to leave a couple of days later, when all the planes in the sky were stopped. Insane world we live in. At any rate, back for another weekend here at the Oasis to get a few things done, a few things accomplished, and got to do some work on the deck. Got to putty it all up in preparation for sneezing. No, not for sneezing, but got to putty it all up in preparation for the vinyl that's going to go on top of it. Got a lot of harvesting to do, a lot of tomatoes, other miscellaneous things. Looks like the Oasis has been taking pretty good care of itself for the most part. Everything's growing. A lot of things are really slow to ripen for some reason. Could just be the weather. Again, it's another cool morning. Slightly overcast, but most of the overcast right now is smoke. Coming up from the United States, which is on fire. All of the west coast of the U.S. is now orange. I guess Orange Man Bad is all over the U.S. They finally got their brain has exploded to the point where it's just covered the sky as Orange Man Bad. Anyway, it's funny. There's really not a whole lot to show. We'll give the Oasis a good walkthrough tomorrow, because today's Friday, so Friday get a few things done. I'll record a few things that I accomplished during the day, and we'll just get this rocking and rolling. So let's open up the Oasis and see what we can get accomplished.
Slugger and my sister's riding shotgun. I never had a mean streak, but brother, now I've got one. I saw some black and blue by her new yellow rose tattoo, and that's a pretty good reason for coming after you. Well, I'm a Texas twister on 83 South. I'm about to blow the border off your border town. You're going down, 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 down in Brownsville. You're going down, 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 down in Brownsville. Does beating on a woman make you feel like a real man? Is your Lone Star courage the kind that's in a beer can? Don't get me wrong, you know my mama raised me right. I'm going cowgirl crazy and I'm crossing the line. I wanna put a little crown in your low lifestyle, put some more crooked in the hillbilly
do that, honey, do this. It's a never-ending honey-do list. I don't mind, 'cause when I'm done, my honey said we were gonna have some fun. But instead of being in the mood, she thought up more things for me to do. Women, you can't live with them, and you can't live with them, and you just can't shoot them. One short twosome, it's like you never knew her. What she wants is what she gets. Lord knows I don't want to make her upset, 'cause if I do, I'll be doing without. Sleeping alone on the living room couch. Women, you can't live with them, and you can't live with them. I only have myself to blame for falling for a sexy ball and chain. I'm danged if I do, danged if I don't. Knows I will when I say I won't. This yes dear life I'm facing is a no-win situation. Women, you can't live with them, and you can't live with them, and you just can't shoot them. One or a twosome, it's like you never knew her. So I walk the dog and take out the cat. Lord knows I don't want to make her mad, 'cause if I do, I'll be doing without. Sleeping alone on the living room couch. Women, you can't live with them, and you can't live with them. What she wants is what she gets. Lord knows I don't want to make her upset. Women, you can't live with them, and you can't live with them. Come on, yeah.
My mojo's working, don't try to ground me down. I'm not kicking dust, I'm still the man of the town. They call me Cat Daddy. They call me Cat Daddy. They call me Cat Daddy. I'm the coolest cat in town. Smooth as moonshine, I live it to my name. Coming on flavors, I'm still in the game. They call me Cat Daddy. They call me Cat Daddy. They call me Cat Daddy. I'm the coolest cat in town. I had a big daddy who taught me the ropes. During his day, he was called the Pope. He taught me to treat the ladies right. He taught me the world is black and white. Rocking at midnight, blazing a trail. I know others will follow hard on young quail. They call me Cat Daddy. They call me Cat Daddy. They call me Cat Daddy. I'm the coolest cat in town. I had a big daddy who taught me the ropes. During his day, he was called the Pope. He taught me to treat the ladies right. He taught me the world is black and white. Rocking at midnight, blazing a trail. I know others will follow hard on young quail. They call me Cat Daddy. They call me Cat Daddy. They call me Cat Daddy. I'm the coolest cat in town. Cat, cat, cat daddy. Cat, cat, cat daddy. Cat, cat, cat daddy. Cat, cat, cat daddy. They call me Cat Daddy. I'm the coolest cat in town.